Now if you take e to the power x1t here, e to the power x1t, what is the e to the power x1t? That is y1t is equal to e to the power x1t. Okay. Now when you understand this, y1t is equal to e to the power x1t, that means x1t is equal to e to the power x1t, and after the calculation if you find out that e to the power here alpha x1t, according to the rule of index, or you can say the power, if it is multiplied, so we can take it as in the bracket x1t, the total will be the power of alpha. As we know, e to the power x1t is equal to y1t, so y1t to the power alpha. Here the same things happen. You can take beta outside of it and you will get e to the power x2t, so that will y2t beta. In that particular section you find that there is no alpha or beta is in homogeneity platform. It should have to be multiplied. Okay, you can see here that has been written, that's not equal to alpha y1t plus beta y2t, so that violates this condition. This condition violates this, so this exponential amplifier is not a linear system, so it's a non-linear system. Okay, so that is non-linear system. That is now the third mathematics, the third system. Third system is the amplifier system. So x1t, that is 3x1t, just convert it, the xt to x1 and x2. First of all, convert it to two parts, y1t, y2t, then apply this equation, what is in the left side, alpha x1t, beta x2t. Okay, after doing this you get 3 alpha x1t, 3 beta x1t, take common 3 out of it, alpha x1t plus beta x1t, 3 alpha x1t, 3 beta x1t, x2t. Alpha x1t, 3 alpha x1t means y1t, so alpha y1t, beta y2t, so that restores the condition of alpha x1t plus beta x2t equal to alpha y1t plus beta y2t, that is a linear system. The fourth mathematics we can write, that is the additive property, that is amplifier with additive voltage. So x1t, 3x1t plus 5 y1t, x2t, 3x2t plus 5 y2t. So alpha x1t, beta x1t, that means just put alpha here and beta here to calculate it. So you can find it out after doing this, after giving alpha here, that will be 5 alpha, 5 beta. So take all the 3, that is the common 3 alpha x1t plus beta x2t plus 5. Okay, after putting the value here, alpha x1t and alpha y1t. So in that condition you can find it out, that is this thing, alpha x1t, there are another part, there will be alpha plus beta 2, because when you multiply alpha here, so there will be 5 alpha, 5 alpha x1t, beta 5 beta 2, so take common 5 and take 3 alpha like that. So in this condition, that should have to be written here, that they have missed this. In this condition, by taking this you can find out alpha y1t plus beta y2t. If you just put the value here, alpha plus 5 or all, that's not a linear system, that's not linear system. So in that additive bias system, that's not linear, because that doesn't satisfy the equation that doesn't satisfy the equation. Now incremental linear system, that's not the thing. Example 2.2, that is a discrete time system, we will not do. We will discuss about another property, AM relationship. That's not the linear or non-linear systems. Time varying, time invariant system. Just coming back to the point after, that's the 2.3. Consider the amplitude modulation system with input and output relationship by this. That is the equation of amplitude modulation system. Okay, so we have to check whether the AM system is linear or non-linear. How that can we find it out? In this mathematics, first of all, take two values. Again, x1 and x2 you can take, or m1 or m2 you can take. So here they take m1t, it's modulation technique. So in that situation, if you take m1t, sorry for the inconvenience, whether I have gone through now the system relationship, now you can see that that is st mt cos twice by 10 to the power 8 t. So if you take m1 t, so that will be m1. If you take m2 t, that will be m2, and each and every part you get the output of s1t for m1t and s2t for m2t. That is the first condition that you have to put on it. Okay, s1t, s2t. now just put the value in the left hand side, alpha m1t plus beta m2t. After doing this, just put the value alpha m1t, that it will be alpha, so here will be alpha, that will be beta, so there will be beta. Just calculate it and take the common part, alpha m1t plus beta m2t here, that is unchanged in that